here we are once again at Ludham Bridge. But it's raining today, so I'm not staying here very long. I'm going to move on to Irstead, Barton Broad and Barton Turf. While filming here today, I had Paul and Julie from the Isle of Wight come over and say hello to me. They're holidaying here for 2 weeks. They've got a week on a boat and then they're having a week in a holiday cottage. It was lovely to meet you both. Thank you for coming over and saying hello. They mentioned that they've been following my channel since I filmed the Wherry Hotel at Barton Broad. So I had a look back through my videos, and that was 6 years ago. Apparently they've watched every week since. As it's raining, I've got my windows up, so unfortunately you can't hear the engines of the boats as they go past. Into the last week of September, or thereabouts, and it's still very busy. Although I haven't captured it on film today, I have recently spotted a kingfisher here at Ludham Bridge, and he does actually fly under the bridge. So look out for him. Perhaps you've already seen him. Let me know in the comments if you have seen him. Still boats continue to go past that I've never seen before. That's always nice to film them. Except for the one directly opposite me, all the other moorings are taken. After recording all this footage, I drove home via Richardson's boatyard, which is on my way home. And there weren't many boats in their boatyard, so they've got an awful lot out this week. As lovely as it is here, I think it's time to move on elsewhere. So let's go to Irstead and have a look and see what's happening there. The rain is getting heavier, and I just passed these people further along the road. They've been out walking, and it does get very heavy, the rain. I did feel sorry for them. And then when I went on to Barton Broad car park, they passed me there as well. So they must be absolutely drenched. As there's not an awful lot happening here, I'm going to film part of the journey as I leave here at Irstead and make my way to the car park in Irstead for the Barton Broad viewing platform. I've only driven a short distance from Irstead car park, and you saw how heavy the rain was there. But look, after this puddle here, the road is totally dry. It even looks as though the sun is trying to put in an appearance. Who knew there were so many different shades of green? Usually a deer will run across the road in front of me, but not today. I parked up, and by the time I'd got to the boardwalk, it was raining. Torrential rain. You can't stop though, can you? You've got to carry on filming. I'm going to start by showing you the boats first that are crossing Barton Broad. But of course you have to walk down the boardwalk to get here, and I filmed all the berries and plants and all the raindrops. I know you don't really want to see those, you just want to see the boats. I know what you're like. But as you can see, it is now torrential rain, so if I didn't film the berries and the wildlife and whatever, it'd be a very short video. So I'm simply doing that to make this a bit longer. And as I said earlier, after Barton Broad, I go to Barton Turf. The cormorants don't seem to mind the rain. If you look on the boardwalk, you'll see the trees are beginning to lose their leaves. Great for spotting the birds, but I do prefer it when it looks like this, rather than all bare. Time for Barton Turf, where I mainly filmed using the time lapse. And in one of the time lapse, if you look closely, a kingfisher actually makes an appearance, lands on the chain that goes across the gap on the right hand side. See if you can spot him. The kingfisher will soon appear, but because it's a time lapse, he's only there for about a second. Just about coming to the end of this video for today. I hope you've enjoyed it despite the weather. I'll be back again next Friday with a new one for you. From where I'll be filming, I've no idea as yet. I usually make it up as I go along. Have a good week, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.